Okay, good morning students. Today fourth lesson, discoveries that changed our lives. Discoveries that changed our lives. Changed our lives. Now let's go on a journey through time, listing many things that came into our lives through inventions and discoveries. Now inventions and discoveries in this lesson about this lesson, who is invented or who is discovered some objects. Here answer is also given, that is unscrambled words, and some more fill that blanks. Filling the blanks is also given, and some unscrambled words also given. Dash. Here one unscrambled word is given in this lesson. Here first one, paper. Unscrambled word is PPREA is given. Paper, it was invented about 2000 years ago in China. In China. Next, second one. In China, it was used to wrap delicate bronze mirrors and poisonous medicines to protect them. In before 2000 years back, what they are used to protect the poisonous medicines. Paper is used to protect the poisonous medicines. And second one, magnetic compass. Now, compass is given by, is a jumbled word. CMSSAPO, like this given. Correct word is compass. Magnetic compass, it was invented about 2200 years ago in China. Okay, now magnetic compass invented by Chinese only. 2200 years back only they invented. In ancient times, it was most useful for mariners or sailors. In the ancient times, Purva Kalam, okay na, long ago, most of them uses this magnetic compass only to find the directions in the sea or oceans. Explorers could now leave their countries in search of new countries. Next, third one, gunpowder. Gunpowder. It was invented about 1200 years ago in China. This gunpowder is also invented in China only before 1200 years ago. Also known as black powder. Gunpowder is also known as black powder. It is the first known as chemical explosive. This is called as first explosive. It is the first explosive. Now, next one, printing press. It was invented 1088. It is in China. It helped to spread knowledge. Fourth one, printing press. Printing press. The jumbled word is Next, electricity. Electricity is in about BCE. The ancient Greeks discovered that rubbing for against amber caused an attraction between the two. They discovered electricity in 1600. English scientist named William Gilbert studied it carefully. It gave its name. In BCE 600 only, electricity was discovered by Greeks. In 1600, here American scientist William Gilbert kept a name. That the name is electricity. The fifth one is electricity. And blank is also electricity only. Blanks are E, C and IT. Blanks are under E, C and IT. Next, camera. Joseph Niepce created the first photographic image. Who created first photograph image? Joseph Niepce. Joseph Niepce. And the American George Eastman founded the Eastman Kodak Company. And George Eastman founded one company, that is the Eastman Kodak Company. Popularized the use of roll film and took photography to the masses. The movie camera takes a rapid sequence of photographs and strips of film. Here in these three blanks are given. One is camera, this is a jumble word. And the second and blank is Eastman. Down, A blank here, under A blank here. Next third blank is camera. And seventh answer, electric telegraph. Here telegraph is electric telegraph. Here telegraph is a scrambled word. In 1835, Samuel Morse proved that signals could be sent by wire from one location to another to transmit a message. This meant that for the first time people could send message quickly and over long distance before this information could be sent or a pigeon could fly. Morse used pulses electric current to produce written codes called Morse code on a strip of paper. The telegraph kicked off the communication technology explosion of the 19th century. ఇంతకుముందు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ పాస్ చేయాలంటే ఏమేమి యూజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు? టెలిగ్రాఫ్ క్విక్గా లాంగ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ క్విక్గా పాస్ చేస్తుంది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. బిఫోర్ ది ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ passes through pigeon or horses. And some years back, after some years, and electric Morse used pulses of electric current to produce written codes. They use the codes to pass the to give the information. Okay, but when the telegraph will come means telegraph came means from the day onwards, all those communication kicked off the before the technology. Here through pigeons, horsebacks, and telegraph codes. ఇవన్నీ వెళ్ళిపోయినాయి. ఓకేనా? Now present we are using the telegraph in 19th century. Now seventh one is here three blanks are there. Quickly. Long telegraph. Now last eighth one, anesthesia. Anesthesia ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తానా? In surgery time, anesthesia is using. anesthesia, it was discovered in 1846. It is a Greek word meaning of loss of sensation. What is the meaning of the anesthesia? Loss of sensation. A doctor administers it on a patient before carrying out a surgery that will cause him or pain. Nowadays, it is administered to relax the muscles or to achieve a temporary loss of consciousness so that one does not feel the pain. ఓకేనా, ఇన్ సర్జరీ టైం పెయిన్ ఫీల్ కావకుండా యూజ్ చేసేటువంటి డ్రగ్ ఏంది ఇక్కడ? ఎనెస్థీషియా. ఎనెస్థీషియా ఇస్ అ గ్రీక్ వర్డ్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎనెస్థీషియా? మీన్స్ హియర్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ సెన్సేషన్. లాస్ ఆఫ్ సెన్సేషన్. Anesthesia, loss of sensation. Okay, write this, fill the blanks correctly and read the lesson carefully. Okay, bye children.